If you're not making at least $100 a day right now on eBay, watch this video. Before I get into the video, I really would appreciate a thumbs up, comment, or consider subscribing if you guys are new. All right, guys, so I think the number one thing that holds people back from not making at least $100 a day is that they are not listing over $100 a day worth of items into their store. If you're not putting up, $400 or $500 worth of product into the store every day, how are you expecting to make $100? If you're just putting $30 worth of stuff, or you're not putting any dollar amount worth of stuff into the store, how are you expecting to make 100? If I'm trying to make 1,000 a day, I'm not going to be posting $500 worth of stuff every single day. I'm going to be trying to post $3,000 worth of stuff, $4,000 worth of stuff, sometimes more if I can. I'm going to be listing as much as I can in dollar amount, because you could be listing 60 items a day, but if they're all 99 cents each, what the heck is that going to do? So you have to be looking at the dollar amount that's going into your store. And also, a lot of people only have a few items, 30 items listed in their store, and those 30 items, might be worth $500 in total. Right now, my store has over $100,000 worth of dollar amount in product, so I'm expected to make a certain percentage out of there in sales just from traffic that eBay sends me every single day. Just because I have so much money put into the store already, I have more opportunities to make more money because I have more stuff listed than the person with $500, if that makes sense. Every time you list an item, think of it as an opportunity for it to sell, for you to make the money. And every time I want to get motivated to list items, I always think about, okay, that's $20 potentially, $20 potentially, $100 potentially each item. From what I have noticed in my personal experience is that you have to list probably 5 times the amount of money into the store in order to get the sales that you kind of want. So try to shoot for $500 worth of stuff a day to get the 100 a day.
Just adding this in the edit, since I forgot to mention another way to help you guys make at least $100 a day, and it's being part of a community where there's people from all sorts of sub niches. So you find flips you'd normally have no idea about. Not all communities are going to be good, but don't worry, I know one that I personally really think is amazing. It's a server called Resell Signals, and they send everything from online arbitrage flips to retail flips, and even price errors like these $100 Samsung monitor being listed on Amazon for just $1 on accident. There's hundreds of signals daily in all sorts of different niches of items. I suggest you guys check them out. It's free to join. Check them out. And if you get the hang of it and start profiting, you can check out their premium server too. Back to the video now.
All right, guys, and also in order to get the maximum amount of money that you can get from eBay in terms of the traffic, and eBay just sending you traffic, because that's how you get money when you have traffic, is by shipping, listing, and replying to messages. If you do all those things and you're taking care of your customers, they're going to send you the traffic. So if you're doing that, if you're shipping as soon as something sells, chances are if you're not getting at least $100 a day, you don't have that much to ship. Try to get it knocked out as fast as possible. That's going to lead you to get more money, more traffic. Try to do that every single day. And really just, try to focus on listing every single day when you're trying to get to 100 a day, because that's 3,000 a month. You don't get there by accident. You're not going to get there by accident. You listed a few items out of the month and you got 3,000. If you're trying to get to 100 a day every single day for like a year straight or a couple years straight, you're going to have to put in some work. You don't have to list a ton of items. You can focus mainly on items that are very profitable. You can list a couple items that are $100 each a day, or you can go with items that are $25 each a day. But to get to 100 is not an unrealistic thing for anyone, even if you're doing it part-time and just kind of chilling on it. It is very doable. Honestly, with a little bit of elbow grease, you guys can get there easily. And if you guys are new to the channel, check out my other videos. Anything you guys watch can be applied to that, not just the 100. Applying that knowledge to yourself could lead you to get that $100 a day. Also, obviously, I talked about $500 worth of stuff. You need to be buying. At first, you can get away with listing stuff that's around your house. You can get, oh, I'm making money. But eventually you're going to run out of stuff that you're going to sell in your house. You need to be sourcing. You need to be looking for items. Obviously, you're not going to just be able to list stuff out of your house. In the beginning, you can get away with that. But later on, in order to really get that $100 a day, you're going to have to get more product. If you're getting stuff that sells immediately and it's $100, let's say you're getting a pair of shoes, and you're able to get a bunch of those, or you're able to get some every day, and they go for $120 and they offer you $100 every single time you get them. Obviously, what I'm saying doesn't apply, but for the most part, most people can't do that. It's not a common thing to be able to do that. But for the most part, what I'm saying is get as much stuff as you can, list it, and try to aim for that 100. Shoot for listing more than what you're trying to get, is what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, I hope that was informative. I know a lot of people were struggling to get their eBay going. I know a lot of you guys are part-time. Sometimes people comment talking about how they make 7 figures on eBay on my store, or how they have 30,000 items listed. And I'm like, damn, that's crazy. But yeah, there's people in different levels in this eBay thing, and I'm just trying to help out pretty much everyone I can. This is a quick video. Like I said, guys, drop a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you guys are new, and I'm gonna catch you guys later.